Hey, what's his name? His name's Bowser. Yeah, he went to Costa Rica, right, Bowser? You went on an airplane? Cool. Man, Bowser's been on an airplane before. I don't know. I don't think he wants to be on an airplane anymore, right, Bowsy? You like it here, Bowsy? You like it here, puppy? Yes, right, Bowsy? Yeah, he's our best friend. Hmm? He's our protector. He protects us. He doesn't let anybody get close to the house, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Because he doesn't want anybody to hurt us. Right, puppy? Right, little Bowsy? Yeah, it was a dump truck. It was a big dump truck.